and welcome to my video forum for atheists. I'm MegaSage 007, and today... Today I would like to talk to you about bats. Yes, you heard me correctly. I said bats. Now atheists like to mock God's word and say the Bible is wrong and when it comes to bats. But I say that Bible is ahead of its... Little... excuse me. Little grass went down the wrong pipe. The Bible is ahead of its time. In fact, I'd say that the whole thing about bats is proof that the people who wrote God, who wrote the Bible, were divinely inspired by God. And this is why I think that when you think about it, bats are birds because bats have wings and bats fly. And dinosaurs, many of the dinosaurs flew. So it's a lie when atheists say that bats are not birds. Absolutely, bats are birds as much as the dinosaurs are birds. They're both reptiles, and they both turned into birds. They transformed into birds. So the next time you hear an atheist tell you that bats are not birds, you can look right back at them and say that bats are birds like dinosaurs are birds, and they all fly, and they're all made by God. About 5,000 years ago. So take that, atheists. You will have to find some other issue. Next time you want to mess with the Bible and God in